Hi guys, Ken Guitar here. Ito na naman ako.
Okay.
A blessed day to all of you. And I hope you're all well. So the song that I'm gonna share to you now is the song titled That's Why You Go Away by Michael Learns to Rock. By the way, this song is requested by Mona Lisa Carlos. My number one supporter sa akin YouTube channel. Mona Lisa Carlos, shoutout sa'yo. And okay, let's proceed. Alright, so before we proceed with the intro of the song, baka po nagtataka kayo, meron pong kapo sa first fret ng aking gitara. Ang gitara ko po ay nakatune ng E flat. And medyo tinatamad kasi akong i-tune siya ng standard, so that's why I need to put kapo on the first fret to sound like an E standard tune.
Kaming pakialam!
Alright, so let's proceed with the intro. Okay, so the chords are G, C, D, and goes back to G. Pretty basic chords, right?
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
So, para naman makuha nyo yung piano part, okay? Para kayo mag-G, pero hindi nyo patutunogin yung fifth string. Okay? So, pwede naman siguro patunogin, pero sa akin, hindi ko siya pinapatunog kapag ako yung nag-i-intro. Alright? Ng kantang to. So, ang gagawin nyo is i-strum nyo from 6th string going to 1st string like this. And then after that, i-strum nyo yung 3rd string, 2nd string, at 1st string. And then after that, tatanggalin nyo yung pinky nyo sa 3rd fret, 1st string, at ilalagay nyo naman yung inyong index finger sa 2nd fret, 1st string. And then kakalabitin nyo ulit yung 3rd, 2nd, tsaka 1st string. Then bagsak kayo sa G. Sorry. Bagsak kayo sa C. Alright, so let's do it slowly. Okay. Then after that, ilalagay nyo yung pinky nyo sa 3rd fret, 2nd string. And ipo-pull up nyo like this. Para mapatunog nyo yung C note dito. Alright? Tapos babagsak kayo sa D. And then, i-hammer nyo yung pinky nyo sa 3rd fret, 1st string. Mag-D sus4 kayo. Alright? Ulit natin. Pagbaksak nyo sa C, pull up. And then, i-strum nyo yung 4th string hanggang 1st string. And then, i-hammer nyo yung pinky nyo sa 1st string, 3rd fret. Tapos, i-strum nyo ulit yung 4th string hanggang 1st string. Tapos, babagsak kayo sa G. Alright, so, let's proceed. Dun naman tayo sa stanza. Let me play it first. So, pretty basic chords. By the way, yung sa strumming, bahala kayo kung paano strumming as long na nasa rhythm siya. Okay? Bala kayo ng strum nyo. What? Okay, so let's break down the chords. Ang unang chords ay A minor, goes to D, goes to G. Babad ng konti, and then A minor ulit, D7, pwede kayo magganto, pero kung di nyo kayo mag-bar, ganito na lang. I'm much more prepared this fingering.
Sana all.
Nagusto ko yun. And then E minor, tapos meron siyang riff na. Alright, so let's start with that. Ang una yung kakalipitin ay 6th string open, and then you will put your index finger on the 2nd fret 6th string, and then your middle finger on the 3rd fret 6th string, tapos isa pang kalapit dyan, tapos kalapitin nyo yung 5th string open lang yan, and then kakalapitin nyo yung 5th string ulit sa 2nd fret. Alright? Let's do it slowly. Okay? And then bagsak sa A minor, D, tapos D over F sharp, baksak sa G, and then baksak sa A minor ulit, D, then sa G. Alright, pretty much yan lang naman ang chord sa stanza. Okay? Okay, so proceed naman tayo sa kanyang chorus. Let's play it. Alright, so let's break down the chords ng chorus. So mag-umpisa muna tayo dun sa ginawa natin kanina sa intro, yung very first part niya, which is pagkatapos niyan, baksak tayo sa C, then D, then goes to G, babad konti, A minor naman, D ulit, goes back to G, so ganun ulit, baksak sa C, goes to D, then E minor, babad ang konti, A minor, D, then goes back to G. Yeah! Alright, so let's proceed naman dun sa kanyang bridge. So let's play it. So, let's break down the chords. So, nag-start siya sa E flat. And then, goes to F. Goes to B flat. Babad konti. Goes to C minor. And then D7. And then G minor. Tapos may riff siya na. Tapos E flat ulit. Alright, so let's break that riff down. Or let's break down the riff rather. Ay, sana hindi na ako nag-English eh.
Stop it. Get some help.
Anyways, so let's break down the riff. So, from G minor, again, from G minor, iiwan nyo yung index finger nyo dyan. And then, kakalabitin nyo yung fifth fret, 6th string. And then, gagamitin nyo yung pinky nyo. Kakalabitin nyo naman yung 6th fret, 6th string. And then, kakalabitin nyo ulit yan. And then, ang sunod, yung index finger nyo, kakalabitin nyo yung 5th string sa 3rd fret. And then, after that, kakalabitin nyo yung 5th string sa 5th fret. Alright, so pagalan natin from G minor. Okay, and then E flat, F, B flat. Tapos puro hold na yun. C minor, D7, G minor, C, tapos F. Alright, so doon na tayo sa kanyang solo. So, ang gagawin ko lang ngayon ay yung chord progression ng solo niya. And, mayroon akong gagawing separate video for the lead part ng kanyang solo. Okay? So, let's play it first. So, let's break it down. Ang unang chords niya is F. Galing tayo sa bridge, right? And then G. Tapos, baksak sa C. Right? Again, F. G. Then C. Goes to D. Goes back to G. Babad ng konti. A minor, D, G. Tapos yung ginagawa natin na baksak sa C. Alright. Alright, so dyan po nagtatapos ang ating video tutorial para sa kantang That's Why You Go Away ng bandang Michael Learns to Rock. Napaka-nostalgic song. Mga batang 90s, yeah! Alright, so ayan, medyo naulan na. Okay, so kita-kits po tayo sa susunod na video tutorial ng kanta. And, God willing, makagawa ulit tayo. Alright? Again, God bless you all. Take care. Peace and rock and roll.